doon lumapag, Mr. Chair. Doon kami nag-umpisang magtrabaho sa Arlene Apartment.
So, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ng engkwentro, nagkabarilan doon sa Arlene apartment?
No, Mr. Chair. Arlene Apartment is in Agdao.
Okay. I was asking
Residential
you-
yon, Mr. Chair.
Okay, listen, DG ha. My question was, doon sa Dumoy ba, na clandestine laboratory, may na-apprehend na mga Chinese?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Wala. Tinuro mo yung Arlene apartment. So I thought that you were explaining to me that the Chinese that were apprehended inside the Arlene apartment. Tama ba yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So doon sila hinuli.
Buong apartment yun, sir. Isang linyang apartment. Lahat ng Chinese doon, sir, namin.
So,
Kinwestiyon
yun na nga.
namin.
So lahat ng Chinese doon sa linya ng apartment na yon, according to you, ay hinuli nyo
Yeah, for questioning, Mr. Chair.
for questioning. Now, I noticed in the list of the names of the Chinese nationals there, meron dong 14 years old tsaka isang 15 years old.
Hindi ko na matandaan kasi yung mga...
Can we show
ano,
again the please? Can we show the list of the names at Comsec? Kasi merong 14 tsaka 15. So, ang ibig sabihin, lahat sila ginather nyo doon sa Arlene apartment, pati yung 14 tsaka 15-year-old, tinanong nyo rin, in-interview nyo rin.
In interview, Mr. Chair.
And then, do you still recall ano yung nangyari doon sa interview nyo?
Yung, we just want to find out yung relation nung mga isa't isa doon, sir. Kasi yung syndicate is kumuha ng 3 bahay, 3 pinto sa apartment. Doon sila lahat lalabas, may bibilihin na equipment, babalik doon. So in short, doon yung home base nung drug syndicate na nag-ooperate ng Dumoy. Yan sir. Yan yung whole area ng Arlene apartment. Diyan kami dinala galing sa airport. And this apartment, Mr. Chair, was the subject also of our previous operation, pero hindi nag-prosper. So, alam namin itong apartment na ito. In fact, Mr. Chair, nagpapasok pa kami ng, nagpa-employ pa kami ng tao dito, Mr. Chair, para araw-araw meron kaming lookout as katulong ng one of the apartments, Mr. Chair. So, what we did, lahat ng naandon na Chinese-looking na nagre-reflect sa aming mga surveillance camera, pinag-i-invite namin, Mr. Chair, to find out more doon sa post-operation investigation. At ito, hindi ko na matandaan yan, Mr. Chair, eh. Kasi sama-sama yan.
Kasama ba dyan yung 6 Chinese nationals that were killed?
Wala yan, wala, Mr. Chair, kasi you shoot, doon, una sa shootout sila namatay, sir, eh. Doon sa Dumoy Laboratory. This was after the operation sa Dumoy clandestine laboratory, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung namatay na 6 plus ito. Ayan yung mga Chinese na nandiyan dyan.
Nadaan doon, Mr. Chair. Nadaan
Okay.
doon.
So, I was given an information that after the Dumoy raid, I think ikaw din yata nag-lead nitong team na to, you went to a CDO Cagayan de Oro warehouse to make a follow-up. Tama ba yan?
Yes, Mr. Chair. That was after the conduct of post-operation investigation. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, lahat ng basura doon, tiningnan natin, lahat ng karton, tiningnan natin yung mga kung saan galing, tinuro ngayon kami sa Cagayan de Oro City, Mr. Chair.
Do you remember the exact address of the Cagayan de Oro
It was on a warehouse, Mr. Chair, eh. Yung meron kasi rentahan ng warehouse sa Cagayan de Oro na pinaparentahan, each and every warehouse. Doon namin nakita yung iba pang laboratory
equipment? Okay.
Ang thinking ko, Mr. Chair, is after sa Dumoy Laboratory, mag-establish sila na another laboratory
Sa Cagayan,
sa Cagayan de Oro.
Okay. Do you recall kung sino may-ari ng warehouse?
Same, Johnson Chua, Mr.
Johnson
Chair.
Chua rin.
Yes, sir. So, ang ginagawa kasi modus nila, Mr. Chair, is pag naubos na yung chemicals sa isang area, hindi na sila maglilipat. Kukuha na naman ng bagong chemicals doon sa ini-establish nilang laboratory. So, hindi sila natapos dito dahil na-stop na nga, sir, yung operation nila. If you can see doon sa presentation nila, there was another warehouse doon sa Agdao naman, Mr. Chair. naka-ready yon for that clandestine laboratory. This clandestine laboratory, Mr. Chair, is just 5 days old.
Yung Agdao.
Yes, no, in Dumoy.
Okay.
Kasi from the start of the manufacture, 5 years, kaya walang ang nailabas doon, Mr. Chair. Walang nailabas na gamit or drugs doon dahil naagapan namin. Otherwise, uubusin nila lahat ng chemicals na naandun sa Agdao na warehouse. And also, doon sa Polytex naman. Kasi kung makikita nyo, merong malaking air scrubber doon, Mr. Chair, doon sa Polytex, sabi Bunawan, yun yung ilalagay nila sa Cagayan de Oro. And they will be building a bigger laboratory, bigger than that in Dumoy, Mr. Chair.
So, sa iyong palagay, konektado yung Dumoy, Agdao, and then the one in Cagayan de Oro.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, yan ay sindikato nung
Mr. Chair,
sinasabi.
dinala kami doon. 24/7 na kasi yung coverage namin doon sa grupo. So there were times na from Davao City, dediretsyong Cagayan de Oro. Yung tao natin, sir, susunod hanggang Cagayan de Oro. Mag-check, uutos na agad ako na mag-check-in ng hotel at magbibili na ng damit agad, Mr. Chair, dahil ang bit-bit nila kung ano yung suot lang nila eh.
Okay.
So talagang coverage yun. For 3 months covered, 24/7 yung operation na yun.
Who was the main personality doon sa inyong 24/7 ninyong monitoring?
Si Alan C. is the operations officer. Siya yung bumibili ng mga freezer, ng iba't ibang gamit. Si Jed Pilapil C., convicted na ito, nakakulong na ito, sir.
Yung asawa ito?
Asawa ni Alan C. Kasama rin sa bumibili ng gamit. And si Jong Pilapil, kapatid ni Jed C., ganun din, sir. Procurement officers din
So,
sila.
si Jed Pilapil si Pilipino yan, no? Yung Jong Pilapil ay Pilipino.
Pilipino rin yan.
Ang asawa niya ay si Alan C.,
Alan
who
C.
is a Chinese national.
Yes, Mr.
Now,
Chair.
ang ibig niyo sabihin, yung Dumoy, Agdao, and Cagayan de Oro, si Alan C. And family yan. Walang ibang personality na involved. Maybe a financier or the owner of the warehouse, yung mga ganyan. Anong...
We believe, Mr. Chair, si Alan C. is only in Cagayan de Oro base. Siya yung operations officer doon. But ang main player doon is si Johnson Chua.
okay. Yun yung Johnson Chua that was presented as the alleged mastermind.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Siya rin yung siya rin yung nag-rent doon sa Cagayan de Oro City. For the information of the body, Mr. Chair, binayaran nila yung Cagayan de Oro City ng warehouse cash 1 year.
Okay.
Pero hindi pa nila tinirahan yun. Naglagay lang sila ng mga gamit doon, Mr. Chair.
And na-recover niyo yung mga gamit?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung mga gamit?
Ganun din, sir. Kung ano yung nakita mo dito sa laboratory,
So, kung-
ganun din yung
Ang
naandun.
ano yun? Pang-laboratory
Laboratory,
ng Shabu.
ano, sir.
Okay. So, is Johnson Chua a Chinese Filipino or
I believe
Chinese?
he's Chinese
National.
national,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
So, what are the other information you have gathered kay Mr. Johnson Chua?
Ganito kasi yan, Mr. Chair. We were overwhelmed. Kokonti lang ang PIDEA noon. Yung age SOT ni Colonel Asierto is 6 lang sila, sir. Isang team lang sila eh. Overwhelmed talaga kami ng trabaho. Now, yung nakita na namin, Mr. Chair, na nagdadry na sila, on the drying stage na sila, sir, we immediately applied for a search warrant kay Judge on December 29 of 2004. The search warrant was granted by Judge Fuentes. So initially, ang tutok ng buo, kukunti lang kami no, sir, less than 28 lang ang PIDEA nun sa Region 11. Ang tutok namin is yung laboratory. But we know na merong mga different warehouses na binibisita. 5 warehouses yun, Mr. Chair, yung pino-cover namin. 3 doon, 2 doon na warehouse, nag-positive, tsaka isang laboratory. So inuna namin yung laboratory. Kaya kung makikita nyo doon, Mr. Chair, December 31, we conducted anti-clandestine laboratory operation doon sa Dumoy. Natapos yun, Mr. Chair. Immediately, Pumunta kami ngayon sa warehouse